Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I am going to demonstrate how to bold, italicize and underline text in your Microsoft Word document. So for example, I'll go first here, put your cursor. I'm going to bold this section, this text in particular. So I'll put my cursor here and press your mouse and drag it to the beginning, and so it's selected. And then go to, you have to be on the home tab in the ribbon, and then go to bold, this B, and click on it, so this become bold. And then this I is italicized, so you can italicize by clicking on this, so now it is italicized. And then you can underline it by clicking on underline. And then you have learned how to bold, italicize and underline a text in your Microsoft Word document. Thanks for watching. If you find this helpful, please subscribe to my channel.